If you want to remove objects from photos on Realme GT 8 Pro, here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna open our gallery, and then in here we can choose the photo that we wish to edit. So let's say I'm gonna edit this photo over here, and then we're gonna tap on this pen icon at the bottom of the screen. Now in here we can of course find many of different options, but we're gonna open the AI editor in order to find AI eraser. So we can tap on it, we need to agree and continue. If you go here for the first time, we have Smart Lasso, Paint Over, and Remove People. We're gonna stick with the Smart Lasso in this case. Of course, if you want to remove people, then it is definitely recommended to use that option instead. And we can just select the area that we want to get rid of on the photo. And most likely the camera or the app will in a quite nice way select the whole area that you actually plan on removing. And as you can see, it is now gone. We can still tap on the compare button in order to see how it looks like before and after. There is a chance that you will find something left over after removing an object. So if that's the case, then of course you can try to select the area again and try to fix it. And hopefully after the second try it will look slightly better. Of course, in case it looks worse for some reason, then you can just undo that action. And once you are done with the removal, just tap on done in the bottom right corner twice, and then let's save the photo, and let's keep the original photo. Of course we're gonna save as a copy. And there we go, that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.